channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I'm Tia, and I have hair in my face. And I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. You're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Today I have a wig haul for you. It's from two or three different places. So let's just get right to it because we got wigs to haul. Okay. So this one is first. This wig, this is the Outre Everywhere line, and this is Every 3, and I have her in the color chocolate. I got it from Sam's Club for $19.99. This wig in particular is going to be part of the collaborations that I'm doing over the next month, so that is very cool. In January and February, I was doing a bunch of collaborations, so this was one of the wigs. I'm not sure when this haul will go up, so I just want to be clear that if this wig could already be done and the collab could already be done. So this is the Every 3, and I have her in the color chocolate. This is much more warm tone than I expected. I don't know why I expected it to be more cooler like this. I love it, but I don't know why I expected it to be a little bit less warm tone, but I mean like chocolate. But I think the color mix is gorgeous, so I'm excited about this. So before I forget, this wig is the Outre Cassidy wig. This is the one that I'm doing the wear one wig for a month challenge. So check that out because definitely there's at least 1 or 2 updates by the time this is going live. This is my Harry Potter Herbology shirt that I got for Christmas, so I'm so excited about that. And have a little Harry Potter situation with my models, so excited about that. Anyway, so total side note. Next up we have from Sam's Club. This is the Cap Do Instant Celebrity Style from Vivica A. Fox. It's the baseball cap or whatever. I think this is an army hat with the hair. It's the hat wig. And I got her for $17.99. Her name is Ramina. I have her in the color FS4/30. So this is her. Yeah, so it's Ramina, and I have her in this color. And comes with this cute army hat. This army hat is cute. And then this is the hair. It's very long. So I have this one. I'm excited to try this one. Next up I have, is this Sensational? No. Outre's Jazzy, and this is a half wig. I want to try and do make a headband wig. And I have her in the color 2T Purple Haze. I got her from SoGoodBB for $13.52. The color's stunning. Stunning. Like, seriously. This is her. And yeah, see, she's the half wig style. So I want to try to make her into a headband wig because I can't really wear a half wig the way that it's intended because I don't have enough hair. I am growing my hair back a little bit, so that could change. But in the meantime, headband wig. Next up is a wig from Sam's Club, and this is another one that's going to be for a collaboration. This is the Every 5 from Outre, and I got it from Sam's Club for $22.99. And I got it in the same chocolate color. She's giving me more of like a chocolate peanut butter situation there, but she's longer and straight. Yeah, definitely more warm tone. Like, again, I don't know why I was surprised. I think I was more thinking of Janet Collection's Choco Blonde, which is a little bit on the cooler side. But this isn't the same. It does definitely have those red tones in it. Let me see if I turn my light down if you can see. It has like sort of reddish 99J tones. It's really interesting color mix. Can see it a little bit better there. So I'm excited about this. This will be part of a collab. Next up is another wig that I'm doing a collab with, but I'm also going to do a giveaway for this wig. This is Janet Collection's Daisy. I'm sorry, this is Janet Collection's Noelle, and I have her in the color Daisy. I reviewed this wig when I first started wearing wigs, and I just feel like I know a little bit more now, and I really loved the color. I got this wig from SoGoodBB for $21.14. And this is the Daisy color, which I'm obsessed with. This is her. So I have a review, not a review, I think I have like more of a show and tell situation up on this wig, but I'm going to be putting her on. It's just a show and tell, so I'm going to be putting her on from scratch. And I also have the same wig I got from Poshmark, and I got her in the color OET1B/burgundy, and this is going to be the giveaway wig. Next up, I have Harper, and this is from Outre. Outre just comes with the fire. So I have Outre Harper, and this is in the color DRFF2/cinnamon mocha. I got her from Poshmark, but you can get her from Ebony Line, Wig Types, Glamour Trust, Sam's Club. And this is her, and this is the color. Isn't this such a pretty color? Ugh! That is definitely a cinnamon mocha. So I do have her. Okay, I have two more. This one I got from SoGoodBB for $12.39. This is a Sensational Dashley wig. I did a bunch of the Dashley units, so you can go ahead and check out my Sensational playlist. This is unit 8, and I have her in the color Dark Ash Blonde Ombre. So it's a shorter one. Not only do people request shorter ones, but people often like me better in shorter wigs. To me, like, give me the inches. Like, okay. This is, I love the color mix on this. I love it. It's definitely an ashy blonde. It's definitely ombre. I'm loving this. This is a full cap wig. I already know I'm going to love this. So I'm actually going to put her on one of my models so that I can review her sooner rather than later. I also hauled 2 products that I want to try. I did an update on this wig on, like, you know, wearing this wig for a month. I'm going to wash this wig. So I did buy some synthetic wig shampoo. This is from Awesome, and this is the Wig Care Solution Shampoo pH 6, moisturizes and replenishes. I got it for $7.99. So normally I use Tide Free, and then I also got this conditioning leave-in spray. It says prolong the life of your wig, detangles, prevents dryness, easy combing, promotes volume, silkiness, shininess, all this stuff. I got this for $3.75. So I'm going to try and test these out. So when I update, if it's not up already, it should be. When I update week 2 of this wig, then you will see what I thought of these products as well. And then last but not least, I got Danny. Okay, this is a Sensational Instant Weave, and I have her in the color Flamboyage Mocha. You have to say flamboyage. My son's like, what's flamboyage? I'm like, I don't know, flamboyant and boyage, I guess. This is her. Danny? You tell me what you think her name is. This is another hat wig that I wanted to do the headband, or another half wig that I wanted to either do a headband wig with or a hat wig or something. I mean, the color's stunning. Stunning! She's so pretty. So if you want to see those sooner rather than later, put that down below. And that's what I have for you for this little haul. If there's any of these things that you want to see sooner rather than later, let me know down below. Go ahead and check the playlist for each of the brands because it could already be up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!